Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we will do the sums of exercise 4.5. Those are the multiplication sums. Yes friends, so take your books and notebooks with you and here we start. Yes friends, how to do these multiplication sums? First of all, for learning the multiplication sums, yes, you must know the multiply tables. Yes, if you know the tables, then these sums are very easy for you. If you don't know the tables, then these sums can create a problem to you. And hope you have learned all the tables. Yes, now students, today I will tell you first sum all the parts you will do by yourself when you will know how to do these sums. I will tell the sums from the second. Yes, arrange the numbers in the columns and find the product. How to arrange? As you can see, this writing this style is called arrange. Yes, in the columns. How to do these multiplication sums? See here, I am going to tell you A part. Yes, A part is there and that is 42 multiplied by 21. Yes, first of all we will arrange, yes, ones, tens. We will arrange, yes, ones and tens. 42 multiplied by 21. Yes, like this we will write. Yes, now how to do the multiplication? I am going to tell you the very easy way. Yes, firstly 42, this 42 will be multiplied by 1. 42 will be multiplied by 1 and this we will do in our rough work. 42 will be multiplied by 1. Yes, and in second step this 42 will be multiplied by 2. This 42 will be multiplied by 2. Yes, like this we will do multiplication. Firstly 42 multiplied by 1, then 42 multiplied by 2. Yes, we will write like this, 42 multiplied by 2. Yes, when we multiply 42 by 1, what we will get? 2 ones the 2 and 4 ones the 4. We get 42. And after that we will multiply it by 2. 2 twos the 4. 2 fours the 8. We got 84. Yes, now see the writing style carefully. Yes, firstly 42 multiplied by 1 we got 42. Yes, then after that ones place digit, under the ones place digit we will draw one cross, means we will write nothing here. हमने यहाँ पे इसके नीचे कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है, that's why we have written cross. Yes, now 42 multiplied by 2, what we got here? 84. We will start writing from here. Yes, we will start writing from here and we will move to our left hand side. Yes, after writing style, now there we will add these both. Yes, we will put the symbol of addition. Here 2 and cross. Cross means nothing is there, means only 2 is there. So here will be 2. 4 plus 4, 8, and here is a 8 only. So what is the product? 882. So we will write 42 multiplied by 21, that is 882. This is the product. When we multiply two numbers, the answer that we get, that is called product. That is called product. Yes, now I will tell you one more sum. Yes, that is 33. No, it's easy, you can do it by yourself. We will do yes, 24 multiplied by 12. Yes, or we can also do 33 multiplied by 33. Both the sums I will tell you. Yes, that is B part. 24 multiplied by 12. Yes, firstly we will arrange these. Multiplied by 12. Yes, now what we will do? 24 multiplied by 2. Yes, 24 multiplied by 2, then 24 multiplied by 1. 24 multiplied by 1. See the sequence also. Yes, we will start from the ones place digit 24. Firstly we will multiply it by 2 and we will write here the product of these. Yes, now 2 fours the 8, 2 twos the 4, we got 48, and here 4 ones the 4 and 2 ones the 2. Yes, firstly right hand side 2 is there, so we will write this product firstly, that is 48. Yes, now under the 8 we will draw one cross. Yes, now second product 24 multiplied by 1, we got 24. So see here how to write. We will start writing like this. From this hand we will start and we will move to left hand side. After that these both will be added. Yes, 8 and cross. Cross means nothing. 8 and cross, there will be 8 only. 4 plus 4, 8. And here is 2. So the product we got, that is 288. Yes, means 24 multiplied by 12. The product is 288. This is the product. Yes, now see, that is C part. 33 multiplied by 33. Yes, now here firstly we will arrange in columns. Yes, that is 33 multiplied by 33. Now see, yes, firstly 33 will be multiplied by 3, then 33 will be multiplied by this 3. Yes, 33 multiplied by 3, and second time again 33 multiplied by 3. So we will not write 2 times, we will do multiplication 1 time, but we will write here 2 times. So here what you will get, 3 3 is a 9, 3 3 is a 9, so we get 99. Again here we will get 99. Yes, because the numbers are same. So how will be the writing style? Here we get 99, here cross, and we will start like this, we will write. Yes, then we will add these both. Here 9, here 9 and 9, 18, 1 carry, 9 and 1, 10. So the product we got, that is 1089. 33 multiplied by 33, the product is 1089. Yes students, now I will tell you H part. What is the H part? That is the 249 multiplied by 37. 249 multiplied by 37. Firstly we will arrange the digits. Here you can see 3 digits are given, so we will write like this. Yes, 249 multiplied by 7, then 249 multiplied by 3. This we will do in our rough work. 249 multiplied by 7. After that 249 multiplied by 3. Yes, now 7 nines the 63, 6 carry here, 7 fours the 28, and 28 plus 6, here will be 34, and 3 will be carry, 7 twos the 14, and this 3 will be added, that will be 17. Yes, now here 3 nines the 27, 2 carry, 3 fours the 12, and this 2 will be added, that is 14, 1 again carry, 3 to the 6, and this 1 will be added, that will be 7. So these two product we got, and here will be the writing style. Firstly 249 multiplied by 7, we will write this, that will be 1743. Yes, then here cross, and the second product we got 747. We will start writing from this side. Yes, here 3 and cross, 3 will be there, 4 and 7, 11, 1 carry, 7 and 1, 8, 8 and 4, 12, again 1 carry, here 9. So the product we got, that is 9213. 249 multiplied by 37, that is 9213. Yes students, hope you have understood these sums. These are so easy sums, but for these sums it's very much important to learn the tables. Yes, if you know the tables, then you can do the sums easily. Yes, hope for your best. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you so much.